Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can duplicate a folder in your cloud on iDrive. So let us get started. Head over to your iDrive account, for example, through the desktop app on your PC or on the web application. So what you want to do, guys, is simply head over to Cloud Drive here to the left, and after that simply head over to the given folder you would like to duplicate. So let me go with that one here. Basically, guys, what will be needed to do is to click into that checkbox next to the given folder, and here, guys, you will see that option at the top, copy. So simply click into it, confirm, select also the location where we'd like to place the duplicated folder. And so let me go with this one here, confirm by clicking into paste, and that is going to add the folder. As you can see, copy has been initiated, and that is going to add the duplicate to the given location, as you can see here now. So that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.